benefactors, government officials, NGOs, regional governors, club president, and other witnesses of today's event. Pledge of commitment. I state your name. Do hereby pledge to commit myself to be part of the first 1,000 days of a child F1KD program. With the Fraternal Order of Eagles - Philippine Eagles Incorporated. As the primary non-government organization implementer. I further pledge to support the F1KD program in whatever form or means that I am capable of doing, and or giving for the effective, efficient, and successful implementation of the program. For pregnant women and children, or magnanay in the entire country, for at least the first 1,000 days of the children's lives. I further pledge to commit and devote part of my time, energy, financial, and material resources to support the activities and projects of the F1KD program. Finally, I do not seek any credit, reward, or recognition in exchange for my contributions to this endeavor, except the knowledge in the fact that someday a healthier, brighter, smarter, and taller generation of Filipinos is about to come. Okay, please come forward on stage. Please put down your hands. Thank you. And please come forward on stage to signify on my left side. Andyan po yung ating tarpaulin to signify your signatures in the pledge of commitment we have recited today. Of course, our officers, National President Ronald De Los Santos of the Fraternal Order of Eagles - Philippine Eagles Incorporated, former Senator Joey Lina, and of course from DSWD NCR, Mr. Arnel Bautista. And of course, including all other officers of the TFOE-PE Incorporated. Please come forward and signify your signatures. From the Hope Foundation, Director Maxima de la Paz. While many of our guests today, our honored guests and witnesses in this event, I'd like to acknowledge our team Eagle Francis Levy Pantino, the Chairman of Operations. Eagle Clifford Gonadan, Regional Chairman. Eagle Jensen Torrica, the Fundraising Chairman.
Wow.
Lady Eagle Felisa Cabornal, the Social Preparation and Development Chairman. Of course, Eagle Boy J.M. Llames, the Promotion and Social Media Chairman. Eagle Mike Atanante, he is the Legal Officer. And Eagle National President Ronald De Los Santos, the Chair Finance Officer. I would also like to thank and recognize our registration team, Ms. Leon Astoriano, Laika Esban, Ella Benessa, Jerome Santiago, and Kathleen Morales.
Ernesto Malacanang.
Thank you also to our ushers who assisted our guests today. And our media, please don't leave because our next program after a presentation, a media forum will be conducted.